magpakas. Lakasan natin. Go! Happy birthday to you! Louder! Okay? Violet, make a wish and then go make a wish. Okay, palang parahas si Violet. Okay, sabay-sabay natin yung greet ng happy birthday si Violet, ha? Okay, everybody ready? Let's greet Violet ng happy birthday. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday, Violet! Okay, ulit sa ulit natin sigaw tayo ng happy birthday, ha? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, yay! Okay? So everybody, pwesto na kayo lahat. Upo muna kayo. Lalabas na ulit sila. Ikaw na